The property we would like to propose today is situated in the outskirts of Atessa, at about 10 minutes drive from the town center. The town of Atessa offers numerous facilities, including restaurants, coffee shops, hospital, outdoor weekly market, doctors, and more. This building stands on 2 floors. The main habitable unit is located on the ground floor. We can see this nice veranda. The main door opens into a hallway where we find the corridor. This is a kitchen with double exposure and a thermo fireplace. The house avails of central heating system. The radiators are present in the house, and they are powered by the gas boiler. In front of the kitchen, there is a large living room of 28 square meters with double exposure and double glazed windows. The balcony overlooking the land. And the wallpaper. On this floor, we also find a large bedroom with a window and the balcony. That faces the garden and the land, and the beautiful view on the hills. In front of the master bedroom, there is another room, currently used as a sitting room, but it can be used as a second bedroom. And the full bathroom with shower facilities and the electric boiler for the hot water. From the side of the house, we can reach the lower floor. There are 2 rooms that can be entered from the back of the house. Now both are used as a storage space. but both can be easily converted into additional habitable space as they avail of windows and doors. This one has also this fireplace in working condition. The property is also surrounded by 2,700 square meters of land with some fruit trees. Our utilities are connected. The house requires some maintenance work